Composting is a way to use your household and garden waste to make food for plants, also known as compost or fertiliser. Composting is a good idea. You can use your household waste instead of throwing it away in the landfill bin. You can feed your plants with compost that you make yourself instead of going to the shops and buying fertiliser. Composting is the best way to make fertiliser. It reduces bad gases such as methane, and it reduces the use of bad chemicals such as pesticides. How does composting work? You add your kitchen scraps, known as green waste, and your garden waste, known as brown waste. Keep it damp by adding water. Oxygen is added from the air. The insects and germs in the mixture will ferment it, and as it does so, heat will be released and also another gas called carbon dioxide. After about 10 weeks, you'll have your results. Ta-da! Compost. Various things can go into a compost. Vegetable and food scraps, tea bags and coffee grounds, and crushed eggshells. These are called green waste. Brown waste can also go into the compost. Things like fallen leaves, dead flowers, potting mix, and grass cuttings and twigs. Wet old newspapers cut into strips is also considered brown waste. And if you have hair or toenail or fingernail clippings, these can also go in. Finally, don't forget to add water. Not everything can go into the compost. Meat, milk and yogurt, glass and plastic, and bones should not be put into the compost. Here are some composting hints. Break or cut things into small pieces before you put them in to ensure that they will break down faster. Add soil or potting mix. This will get germs in there to help break it down. If you don't have a compost bin, you can make a compost heap. Remember to cover it up with hessian or a plastic sheet. Put your compost bin in the shade. Too much sun will dry it out. Compost mixture should be kept damp, but not soaking. Mix or turn your compost once a week. Start your compost heap with a layer of larger brown waste, then layer with green waste, then brown waste, and then water it. Keep repeating this process. After 10 weeks, you'll end up with compost.